Hey there, future Oxford students. Applying to Oxford University might seem daunting, but don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break it down step by step. First up, choose a course. Oxford has a ton of options, so make sure you find the one that excites you the most. Hop over to their website for detailed info on all available programs. Next, check the entry requirements. Each course has specific academic and English language prerequisites. Make sure you meet them before moving forward. Now, it's time to register on UCAS. That's the Universities and Colleges Admissions Service website. Oxford uses UCAS for all undergraduate applications. Step 4. Prepare your application. Fill out your UCAS form with all your personal details, course choices, and most importantly, your personal statement. This statement is your chance to shine and show why you're perfect for the course. Don't forget to obtain references. You'll need academic references from teachers or professionals who can vouch for your abilities and potential. Once everything's ready, submit your application by the UCAS deadline. For most courses, that's mid-January. But remember, some courses like medicine have an earlier deadline around early October. For some courses, you'll need to take an admissions test. Make sure you know what's required and prepare accordingly. If you're shortlisted, you might be invited for an interview. This is your chance to impress. Review your subject knowledge and practice potential questions. If all goes well, you'll receive an offer. It could be conditional, meaning you need to achieve specific exam results, or unconditional. Once you have your offer, follow the instructions to accept it through UCAS. Finally, prepare for university. This means sorting out enrollment, accommodation, and all the other logistical aspects. And that's it. Remember, for the most up-to-date information and detailed guidance, visit the official Oxford University website. Good luck with your application. Thanks for watching.